Hi, I'm Eric. I'm the product lead at Vaxcel. Today I'm going to show you how to use and set the automated features on our Dualux outdoor light fixtures. Using patented energy-saving technology, a Dualux fixture will automatically dim at night to your selected brightness. But rest assured, whenever motion is detected, on-demand bright illumination will be triggered. For demonstration purposes, I'm using our Harwich light fixture. Once your light has been installed, insert a dimmable bulb into the fixture, as non-dimmable bulbs will not take full advantage of the light's features. This works with incandescent halogen or most LED dimmable bulbs, which are the most energy efficient. To access the controls on this light fixture, simply turn the motion sensor counterclockwise to open. Keep in mind the setting switches might be in a different location on your Dualux light fixture. Consult your manual for the location. Let's start with the 3 different modes located on the bottom slide bar. In order to take advantage of these features, the power must be switched on at all times. These modes operate the light automatically throughout the day. In all 3 of these modes, the light will automatically go into 100% brightness when motion is detected. To set the low-level brightness, first make sure the fixture is in test mode. Test mode will keep the light on all day and night at the low-level brightness setting. In test mode, you can adjust the low-level brightness setting at any time of day between 0 and 50%. Of course, when motion is detected, the light will go into 100% brightness until motion is no longer detected. In 3, 6, or 0 hour mode, the light will turn on at dusk and off at dawn. 3 and 6 hour mode will illuminate at 100% brightness for 3 or 6 hours after the light has automatically turned on at dusk. After those 3 or 6 hours, the light dims to low-level brightness until motion is detected. In 0 hour mode, the light will operate from dusk till dawn at low-level brightness until motion is detected. This can be set with the low-level dial here. Another feature of this light is the shutoff delay. By rotating the time knob here, you can set the length of time that the light will stay at full brightness once motion is detected. The time can be set between 5 seconds and 3 minutes. After the delay, the light will return to low-level brightness. Finally, the sensitivity range can be adjusted on the sensor switch here at the top right side. This distance can be adjusted from 5 to 40 feet. To override low-level brightness, where the light will turn on to full brightness at dusk and turn off at dawn, first make sure the light is set to 3, 6, or 0 hour mode. Then turn the wall switch off and on within 3 seconds. To return to low-level brightness mode, again, turn the wall switch off and on within 3 seconds. We also recommend cleaning the sensor every few months for maximum sensitivity results. Thanks for joining me. For more information or to view our complete Dualux product line, please visit our site.